Do you want to become a web developer in 2025 but don't know where to start? Have you ever wondered if you could build the websites and apps you use every single day? In 2025, the path to becoming a web developer is clearer than it has ever been. This roadmap is your personal guide, a step-by-step blueprint you can follow. Think of it like building a house. You start with a solid foundation. We'll break this down into simple, manageable chunks so you always know what to learn next. The demand for skilled developers is booming. Companies want passionate people like you. So take that first step. Write your first line of code and commit to the journey. Let's get started. We begin with the essentials: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Commit to learning, trust the process, and you will be amazed at what you can accomplish by 2025. Every website you've visited, from a simple blog to a complex social network, is built on 3 core technologies. Step 1. HTML, the skeleton that provides structure and content. Headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images, the building blocks of content. Next, CSS, cascading style sheets, the skin and clothes of your site. You'll learn colors, fonts, spacing, and responsive layouts using Flexbox and Grid. Finally, JavaScript, the nervous system that makes things interactive. Start with variables, functions, and loops, then manipulate the DOM to update content dynamically. Practice by building small projects, a portfolio, a photo gallery, or a recipe page. Write code every day, break things, debug them. That's how you learn. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together form the unshakable foundation for your web dev career. When apps grow, repetitive work becomes painful. Frameworks speed things up. A framework is a toolkit of reusable components and structure. React, hugely popular, component-based, massive job market. Vue, approachable, gentle learning curve, excellent docs. Angular, opinionated full framework, great for large teams and enterprise apps. You don't need to learn them all. Pick one and master it based on your goals. React for jobs and ecosystem, Vue for ease, Angular for enterprise stability. Build reusable components, compose them into pages, practice state and props. Learning a framework makes you far more productive and team ready. Next up, the back end, where data lives and business logic runs. Front end is what users see. Back end is where data lives and is served from. Start with Node.js. Run JavaScript on the server so you can use one language end-to-end. Learn at least one database, SQL databases like PostgreSQL for structured data, and NoSQL like MongoDB for flexible document storage, useful with Node stacks. The front end talks to the back end through APIs, request and response over endpoints. Build APIs with Node and Express. Define endpoints like app.get/ap/users to serve data. Mastering these concepts makes you a full-stack developer, a huge milestone. Create secure sign-up and login, store user data, and build complex features with server logic. From dashboards to analytics, back-end skills unlock real functionality. Now let's cover the tools that help you collaborate and ship your apps. Use Git to track changes. It's essential for professional development. Host your repos on GitHub. It's your public resume for recruiters to review. Deploy your front end quickly with Netlify. Connect Git and go live in clicks. Vercel is excellent for React/Next.js apps with instant previews and serverless functions. For full-stack production apps, learn basics of AWS, EC2, S3, and managed services. Optional, TypeScript, add static types to catch errors earlier. Optional, Next.js, production features and server-side rendering built on React. Learn web security basics and testing to make your apps robust and safe. Keep your GitHub active, document projects well, and showcase work in a portfolio. Do this consistently, and you will be ready to land a web developer job in 2025. Follow this roadmap, and you'll be ready to land a web developer job in 2025.